Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Skills of English. Welcome in another lecture number 72. Today we are focusing some of the most common grammar mistakes English learners and even native speakers often make. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any. Let's start our with mistake number 1. Your versus you are. The incorrect sentence is you're welcome, but the correct sentence is you are welcome. The second mistake number 2, it's versus it is. The wrong sentence is the dog lost its collar, but the correct sentence is the dog lost its collar. इट्स मीन इट इज, मतलब इट के बाद अगर हम कोमा पुट करते हैं तो उसका मतलब होता है इट इज, वाइल इट्स ITS इट्स शो पोजेशन. The mistake number 3 is their versus they are. The wrong sentence is they are going to the park, but the correct sentence is they are going to the park. They के बाद जब हम कोमा लगाकर are ही पुट करते हैं so it mean they are. The mistake number 4 is then versus then. THEN then versus THAN then. The wrong sentence is she is better than me, but the correct sentence is she is better than me. THAN then is for comparison, मतलब कि मुआवजा करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, but at the same time THEN then is used for time को शो करने के लिए हम then यूज़ करते हैं. The mistake number 5 is me versus I. The wrong sentence is me and John went to the store, but the correct sentence is John and I went to the store. Mistake number 6 is EFFECT, effect versus effect. EFFECT, effect versus effect. The wrong sentence is the rain had a big effect. The rain had a big effect. But the correct sentence is the rain had a big effect. EFFECT, effect is used as a verb, but at the same time EFFECT, effect is used as a noun. Mistake number 7. Who versus whom. The wrong sentence is who did you talk to? But the correct sentence is whom did you talk to? The mistake number 8 is lie versus lay. The wrong sentence is I am going to lay down. But the correct sentence is I am going to lie down. Lie means to rest. Lay means to place something down. Mistake number 9 is could versus could have. The wrong sentence is I could have helped you. But the correct sentence is I could have helped you. Could is just a misheard version of could have. The mistake number 10 is much versus many. The wrong sentence is she has much friends. But the correct sentence is she has many friends. Many used for countable noun, just like chairs, tables, books, cupboards, etc. Much is used for uncountable noun like money, water, and salt. So basically, this is our lecture about 72, the 10 common mistakes of grammar. Thanks for watching. Comments below with any grammar questions you have, and don't forget to like, share, and comment, and also subscribe for more English learning videos. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah. Take care of yourself.